Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make cheesecake flan. It's a very easy recipe. It calls for 5 large eggs, organic eggs, or you can use 6 regular eggs, about 8 to 10 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and the sugar is about a cup for the caramel at the bottom. That's it. So we are going to go ahead and put all of our ingredients in our blender. Now we are going to go ahead and make the caramel. Here is our cup of sugar. We are going to cook this in low heat. This one, I think I'm going to use a smaller container this time, a smaller Pyrex, and I'm going to use 2 because I'm making it for a friend. So one little one is going to be for a friend, and then this one is going to be for us. And you can see it's starting to melt. This is just regular sugar, just plain old sugar. Okay. Now that this is ready, we're going to go ahead and pour this onto the first one at the bottom. That's it. Now we pour this one onto the other one. Make sure you cover the bottom of both. Or if you're gonna do one long rectangular one, just make sure that the bottom is covered. In the meantime, we have our mix, and we're going to go ahead and pour it onto the caramel that's already hardened. First, I want to show you that this is hard already. Oops, it's hot, but it's hard. Not going anywhere. Here and here, and we're gonna pour our mix. Okay, now I'm going to set my oven at 350. I'm going to use the double boiling method. So I fill up the pan with water, and then I put it in the oven with the Pyrex on it. Okay, so that much water. And then I'm going to put this in the middle. That's the we just let it cool down before putting it into the fridge. This is the flan. Like I said, it's very, very easy.